Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of AMSI Analytics, this is Michael Blythe with the closing comments on Thursday, July 14th, 2016. Going into this morning's regular session open, the S&P 500 September mini had reached a new all-time high at the 2168 or high at the 65 area just before the cash open, and the total volume was, I believe, over 425,000 minis that had traded. We saw on the open a quick sell from the open at 2161, a sell down to 2155 half. An early low was made there. They were bid into the mid to late morning, but made an intraday high at 63 half, and from there made a series of lower highs throughout the session, trading on down to 2152 3/4 during the early afternoon, and then rallied into the end of the day, making another lower high at the 2160 3/4 area, and then now on the close we're seeing 2156 halves trade at 305 in Chicago. One thing I've been noticing this week is Globex has been relatively strong. Regular sessions, I believe, for the week have produced a net negative, as most of the sessions have closed below the 8:30 opening print. Going into tomorrow, the economic calendar is busy. It begins tonight with China, who has their fixed asset investment year over year, GDP year over year, as well as quarter over quarter, industrial production and retail sales, all out of China tonight, which could become a market mover. Then tomorrow morning in Europe, the CPI will be released, and the Bank of England's Governor Carney will speak at 7 a.m. Central Time. And then in the U.S., the calendar really starts off with core CPI at 7:30, along with retail sales. And these are the biggest releases of the week. And so there could be some considerable action overnight and heading into the morning. At this point, the trend is still the friend, and the dips have still been worth buying. And so until tomorrow, thank you, everyone. Have a good evening, and see you next time.